you were unable to deliver what you had promised her or what she wanted because of some emergency condition. And to retaliate, she sent you something with glitters, a glitter mail bomb. That's what you're saying?
That is correct, Your Honor. And when I opened said mail, I did have some glitter get onto a cake that I was making for another customer that was set to pick it up later that day, as well as some glitter on the floor that my cat then started to eat, so I had to take the cat to the emergency vet.
Really?
Only in courtroom television do we go from wedding cakes to glitter explosions this fast. What started as a canceled cake order after a family emergency has now escalated into accusations of revenge mail, contaminated desserts, and a sick cat. And the wildest part, the defendant allegedly sent the glitter bomb on purpose. This case is about to get unbelievably messy. Literally.
State your name.
Jennifer Watts.
What's your name?
Carly Peters.
Start with this nice lady here. How you doing today?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you for having me.
Where do you know this beautiful woman from?
Your Honor, I know the defendant because she ordered a wedding cake from me. I was unable to fulfill that order due to a family emergency. Subsequently, she then sent a glitter-filled envelope known as a glitter bomb on the internet to my house and then caused some damages, including a wedding cake that I had to cancel.
Well, that's stuff you do to get people back?
No, it was
without committing a crime?
No, Your Honor.
Explain to me again, because I have no idea what you are telling me, because I'm interpreting it as you were unable to deliver what you had promised her or what she wanted because of some emergency condition. And to retaliate, she sent you something with glitters, a glitter mail bomb. That's what you're saying?
That is correct, Your Honor. And when I opened said mail, I did have some glitter get onto a cake that I was making for another customer that was set to pick it up later that day, as well as some glitter on the floor that my cat then started to eat, so I had to take the cat to the emergency vet.
Really?
Only in courtroom television do we go from wedding cakes to glitter explosions this fast. What started as a canceled cake order after a family emergency has now escalated into accusations of revenge mail, contaminated desserts, and a sick cat. And the wildest part, the defendant allegedly sent the glitter bomb on purpose. This case is about to get unbelievably messy. Literally.
Yes, Your Honor.
How does it come out?
So, Your Honor, when I opened it, you can see in here also, I'm happy to show this to you, but we pulled the letter out and there was glitter that kind of flew out as well when I pulled the letter out.
But it doesn't go up in
No,
the
Your Honor,
air
it's not
or in their
pressurized
or in
or
their face or
anything.
nothing.
No, Your Honor, it just flies out.
Coming up.
900 for what?
For my cat that ingested some of the glitter that I had to take to the
For what?
emergency vet. My cat.
I don't believe that her cat should have been in the kitchen. There should be no reason why she's baking.
You're watching Mathis Court with Judge Mathis. This is Mathis Court with Judge Mathis.
Mathis Court is back with the case of Jennifer Watts, who was suing Carly Peters for negligence.
So this is your evidence, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
The glitter, whatever?
Yes, Your Honor, the glitter bomb.
You know glitter in here?
Yes, Your Honor. There was
in the case this, what?
Your Honor, there was about 2 tablespoons of glitter when I first opened it, but of course I had to clean that up. So there you can see there's some glitter on the letter there and also on the top of the
So you left it you left it on the cake?
No, Your Honor, I had to throw the cake away.
Oh. Ma'am, what do you have to say about this?
Yeah.
Did you do this intentionally?
No, I did not.
It was an accident for you to send that to her?
No, it wasn't an accident for me to send it to her. I meant to send it to her.
And there it is, the moment that changes the tone of the entire courtroom. Carly flat out admits she intentionally sent the glitter bomb. She says she never meant to hurt the cat, but legally, intentional retaliation almost always backfires once damages start piling up. And that sarcastic note attached to the glitter? That's not helping her case at all.
I didn't mean to hurt or harm her cat.
And this is the new way of getting people back. Plus, you write a note in there that you think is not incriminating. Trying to be sorry. I am so sorry that the undisclosed family emergency happened to fall 2 weeks before my first wedding. I know how much word of mouth means to small businesses, and I'll be happy to share with them my experience working with you. Sarcasm, no doubt, because you just said you weren't satisfied. So, how do we get to $1,100 for a cake?
The $200, that was for the cake that I had to cancel that had the glitter on it. And then the rest is the $900 plus a little bit of change.
$900 for what?
For my cat that ingested some of the glitter that I had to take to the
For what?
emergency vet. My cat.
I don't believe that her cat should have been in the kitchen. There should be no reason why she's baking and her cat is in the kitchen.
Now the courtroom shifts toward responsibility on both sides. The defendant is arguing something surprisingly important here. Why was a cat near an active food preparation area in the first place? This is where comparative negligence starts creeping into the conversation, because even if the glitter bomb was immature, the court may still examine whether Jennifer created unsafe conditions herself.
I do run my bakery out of my home. This is a business, but it is under cottage food law. So I have had a food inspector come in, make sure that my apartment is clean. So my cat is...
So your business is so regulated, you have an inspector come in.
Yes, sir, I do have a
Well,
health
you
inspector.
certainly shouldn't have been opening up nothing in that kitchen around cakes. If it's so rigid and regulated that an inspector comes in, well, I'm with her now. Why would you open something within the same area as your preparations? And the inspector knows pets are around when you're preparing that?
Yes, Your Honor, and the inspector said that the cat needs to stay in a locked bedroom while I am baking, and then I need to clean before and sanitize after when I'm finished baking. So I had cleaned and sanitized, let my cat out because I was done with baking for the day.
Obviously, you were either in the process of cooking the cake, decorating the cake, or preparing it to be sent out, or waiting there, and you had the animal there. That doesn't sound like that would pass inspection. I'll give you your $200 for the cake that you lost. That's it. Have a good day.
In the end, Judge Mathis split the responsibility. He acknowledged that the glitter bomb caused the ruined cake, awarding Jennifer the $200 loss for that order. But the court refused to grant the massive vet bill because the kitchen setup, especially with the cat nearby, raised too many questions about personal responsibility and proper food safety practices. This case is a perfect example of how courts separate emotional frustration from legally provable damages. Revenge might feel satisfying in the moment, but once intentional actions create consequences, things can spiral into court very quickly. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns